Police. Today at around 2 p.m., a jet ranger with 2 crew on board was taking off but immediately fell. And as I talk now, the pilot captain has passed on a few minutes ago, and the cadet pilot is being stabilized. The CT scan that has been made shows that he did get internal injuries, but is not yet very stable. The dead body is in Kisubi Hospital, and the cadet is also hospitalized in Kisubi. It was on a training session, so it was a mutual training flight, to use the exact words from the technical people. The pilot was Captain Carol Businje, and then the cadet is Abdallah Weka. It's subject to further investigations, really, especially about the cause. What could have caused this? Shall get the details in due course. Where should we stand? For preaching. We are where police is supposed to be. That's what I was expecting, that on my neck. We are where police is supposed to be.